Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
You're a law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. And now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
Strategic goal ng Iran. Well, lumalabas narrative, if I go to Al Jazeera, my gosh, lahat na lang, bisa iniisip ko parang Iran State TV sila eh. Sinasabi nila that Iran already achieved yung kanilang strategic goal. Tingin niyo po ba dito sa sinasabi nilang narrative na ito na nagkakaroon ng shifting main idea of winning in a war? Kasi yung mga kaibigan ko po always asking me, hindi ko naman maintindihan ba't nila ako tinatanong lagi about sa geopolitics. Lagi nila sinasabi, yung gasgas na salita na ginagamit ng Amerika when they try to invade a certain country, which is yung regime change. But I know you have this deep knowledge about the other wars na pinamunuan ng Amerika, and they always want regime change, or they have this selfish thinking about what is best for a certain country. Itong nangyayari sa Iran po, no ang nakikita nyong possibility for a regime change in a long-term stability ng Prof, isa pa po, no? Some of my friends dito sa States na kalilipat lang po, they're coming from Philippines, tas lumipat po na Amerika, and this is the first time na parang America go to a war, nandito na sila sa States. They are always asking, and I guess it would be better if you explain it further. Dahil sa Middle East nangyari itong Iran war, ano po ang ibig sabihin kung ang Amerika ay aalis kasamang kanyang mga base militar sa Middle East? Opo, aalis mismo. Kuya kay Gaddafi. Prof, may labas lang tayo ng konti sa topic kasi ang ganda ng paliwanag niyo about the bases. What do you foresee sa EDCA natin with USA and also our continuing issue with China on West Philippine Sea, plus yung maaaring invasion ng China sa Taiwan? Kasi I know you would understand when I say this that those are interconnected.
Obvious reasons.
Ito pa, isa pa, we see this past few weeks since the start ng Iran war, nakita natin that even if Iran dala sila ng mga missiles nila sa Middle East countries, especially Qatar, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain, ay talagang tinamaan. If I'm mistaken, para nasa airspace nila. Even Turkey was also natamaan. Sa tingin niyo po ba sa conflict na a geopolitical scenario, po bang effect ito sa presensya at saka impluwensya ng Amerika sa Middle East? Yes. Pero Prof, ito naman po sorry to ito mga GCC countries, yung mga are not kasi
Diba? Yung hino-host mo. Parang sa Pilipinas.
kumbaga may tool. If you're like Emir ka ng Qatar, or ikaw yung Crown Prince ng Saudi Arabia, or you're the President of UAE, hindi ba dapat parang in a bigger perspective, tanggalin muna natin na Amerika, you know that your oil is very precious for the entire world. Like, di ba, yan ang crown jewel ng income mo Don't you even thought about, other than the US, na parang ikaw mismo, di ba, magkaroon ka ng like yung missile defense system na ikaw ang gagastos? Kasi if ever ito, kasi alam naman natin, religiously, hindi naman sila okay ng Iran kasi may faction yan sa kanilang religion. Ako naman curious ako, have they even thought about na sila mismo dumepensa sa kanilang mga, sa mga sa mga ring major target ng country nila like yung desalination plants, oil refinery, ports. 'Di ba po? Para sa akin I'm just being fair kasi I understand America, pinopront nila yung sarili nila as the global police. Pero wouldn't be also fair para sabihin naman ang yaman na ng GCC countries for them to even defend themselves once in a while?
No.
Middle East,
Country
internal
security.
security.